Komiti mar od bura mar Senet mochung'ne Teko dwaro ni piny owacho ochuog chike moyiedhi mabiro gayo kambi mar Kenya Power kik ng'ad sitima e ute thieth kaluwore gi gope magibandho TED counties. Kane giloso Mombasa, kamiti no motelne kod Senator Oburu Oginga koni jotuo mathoth osebedo ka hinyore ute thieth e seche mong'ad sitima ka koro gidwani kambi Kenya Power obed ka ng'ado sitima e apis gavana magibandho mokrocho ngima jotuo. Bende ne gitimo limbe ka e kambi makeyo modhi pacho ka Kenya Pipeline mar rango chenro moketi mag gayo odundu mag mauta masamoro chwer kendo keto ngima jodak mathoth e kinda Kuru Gasumbi.
There are babies who are sick, and then by the time you restore it, we have probably created a bad situation. Then even if the money is paid and maybe the situations have deteriorated, or we have even had maybe a child becoming worse or even lost, you cannot replace that. So we are looking at possibility of creating law that will try to protect wananchi.
If a county government is not paying water bills or energy bills for whatever reasons for the hospital, and they must be disconnected to force the county to pay, then they should be disconnecting the power going to the governor, the water going to the governor's office, not the hospital, so that the pressure is asserted where there is a minimum damage to the ordinary person.
In Makueni, we were there and we are dealing with the Tange oil spill, which has caused both environmental issues and serious health risk to the people of Tange. And we do not forever want that kind of situation to get into to any other part of the country.
We want to see how the Kenya Pipeline is dealing with those issues to ensure that there is no any such serious leakage which affects the health of the people.
Aneno ka ote magi moko pod medo mana donjo kende. William Nyadawa kantiere mawegi wacho ni wuoro kaka Kindiki pogo pesa. Mai nyiso ni